Number 1. Solar Mason Jar Lights. Upgrade bigger glass mason jars 7.2 inch H/32 ounces. Increase 30 LEDs fairy fireflies string lights, more brighter and the color also more warmer. Believe you will like them when you receive them. Eco-friendly solar powered, no need wired, comes with cycles rechargeable battery, can light up all night through a fine summer day charging. Premium solar cell with large size panel for fast charging. 6-8 hours charging by sunlight can provide 8-12 hours lights in night. Number 2. Aootek new solar motion sensor lights 120 LEDs with lights reflector. 3 optional modes. 1. Permanent on all night mode. The lights turn on automatically night and stay all night at 20% brightness. 2. Smart brightness control mode. When no motion is detected, the light stays slightly bright all night. When motion is detected, the motion sensor adjusts the light to stay on high for 15 seconds, then back to stay slightly bright. 3. Motion sensor light mode. Number 3. Solar Spot Lights Outdoor Waterproof IP65. Experience a luminous and captivating atmosphere with Wendy Solar Spotlights. Featuring an array of 46 high-performance LED beads, brightness up to 800 lm, these outdoor solar lights emit a radiant glow that transforms your outdoor space into a welcoming haven. Tailor your lighting to match your needs. With 3 distinct brightness modes, you have the flexibility to choose the perfect ambience. Opt for the subtle glow of the low bright. Number 4. XMCOSY Solar Lights Outdoor Waterproof 4-pack solar lights for outside. High-efficient solar panel. Solar outdoor lights waterproof, can be automatically turned on at dusk and off at dawn. Monocrystalline silicon solar panel, 2.4 inches, with 3.2 V 600 mAh rechargeable battery, sunlight conversion rate of up to 25% to 30%, elegant diamond-shaped glass. Solar lights outside features electroplated bronze body with a vintage style. Solar lights 360 degrees light effect with diamond. Number 5. Solar Flicker Torch Lights. Newest upgraded solar mason jar flame dancing lights requires no external wiring, environmental protection and energy saving. AAA rechargeable battery included. There is long time without sunny. It can also working by AAA battery only, easy to use. Lights come on and off automatically with dusk and dawn. Just need place them out of direct sunlight. Please notice each light includes an on-off switch underneath the lid. Turn it on before charging. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.